Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Hashim Ali Khan. So now I am going to start the problems on income tax 1. So last 5 videos I have given on the theory explanation regarding the Introduction to Income Tax Act 1961 for the assessment year 2020. For this assessment year, what are the provisions of Income Tax Act 1961? I have given the complete explanation in the last 5 videos. So without watching those videos, you cannot understand the problems which I am going to solve now. So my suggestion to get a good grasp on the subject of income tax, you must know the provisions of income tax. Then only you can be able to understand. I have explained in detail regarding the tax provisions, regarding how to compute the tax liability of a person, who are the different persons, what are the basic concepts, then how to find out the residential status of an assessee, incidence of tax. All these things I have explained in detail. So if you are interested in getting a complete command on the subject, watch all the 5 videos and then come to the problems. Then only you can be able to understand. So if you have not watched, I suggest you could go to the playlist of my channel, select the subject income tax 1, select the topic introduction, watch the videos and then only come back to the problems. If you are new to my channel, I suggest you to visit the playlist. I have uploaded so many videos on different subjects, different topics. Select your subject, select the topic, watch the video and enhance your knowledge. Get the confidence on your field of study. Now, before starting the problem, I expect my viewers to have a printout of the problems. I have provided these problems in the link under my description. So go to the description. Last line you'll find the link, take a printout and keep it ready. Without problems, you cannot understand the solutions and explanation. Now, first problem I am reading out. Sri Anand Swarup, age 51 years. Why age is given? Because we have categorized the assessees into 3 categories: non-senior, senior and super senior. And the provisions will be different. Basic exemption will be different and other provisions are different for these 3 categories of assessees. So when it is given 51 years, so it is less than 60 years. Less than 60 years means non-senior citizen. For non-senior citizen, basic exemption limit is 2,50,000 for the current assessment year. And reported his total annual income of 4,25,100. 4,25,100. It is more than 2,50,000. So there is a tax liability. But the total income is below 5 lakh. So he will get tax rebate under section 87A. All these provisions I have explained in the previous videos. That's why again I am saying, go and watch the first 5 videos on introduction, then only you can understand what is this 87A. When deduction will be given under section 87A, if the total income is below 5 lakh. Below 5 lakh, then only the deduction will be, rebate will be given. So here it is 4,25,100, taxable at a flat rate of 15%. There are 2 methods of calculating the tax: flat rate and slab system. The flat rate will be applied on some income, special incomes. For normal income, slab system will be applied. Now here specifically it is given flat rate of 15%. Calculate tax liability. That's all. This is the problem. Very easy problem. See carefully here. Problems on calculation of tax liability, residential status and incidence of tax. This is what we are going to do in these videos. Now, computation of tax liability of Sri Anand Swarup. The assessee's name is Anand Swarup. For the assessment year 2020-21. This is for the current assessment year. Now, age 51 years. 51 years means non-senior citizen. Total income 4,25,100 given in the problem. Tax rate flat 15%. Now we'll compute the tax liability. First of all, the basic exemption will be allowed. The basic exemption will be allowed for special income also. So here total income 4,25,100. From this basic exemption, because non-senior citizen, basic exemption is 2,50,000. Deduct 2,50,000. The taxable income is 1,75,100. This is the taxable income. On this, tax will be applied at the rate of 15%. The basic tax, 15% of 1,75,100, it comes to 26,265. This is a basic tax. From this basic tax, tax rebate will be allowed for the SSC under section 87A for those SSCs whose total income is below 5 lakh. So it is below 5 lakh, so rebate will be allowed. So how much tax rebate is allowed? List of the following two. The first is basic tax. Second, fixed amount given by the Income Tax Act 12,500. This 12,500 is the amount fixed by the Income Tax Act. So tax rebate under section 87A, list of the following two. Basic tax to 26,265, this one, or fixed amount 12,500, whichever is least, that will be allowed as rebate. So least one is 12,500. Deduct 12,500, 13,765. So first calculate basic tax minus tax rebate under section 87A. The resulting figure add health and education cess. This is a compulsory one. This health and education cess is compulsory. Tax rebate may be there, may not be there. If the income is more than 5 lakh, no tax rebate. But education cess, compulsory. 4% on tax liability. So 4% of 13,765, 551. Take the total 14,316 is the tax liability. Now according to the provisions, the tax should be rounded off to the nearest 10. 10, 20, 30 like that we should take, we should not take 16. So 16 ka next 10 kya hoga? 20. So it will be rounded off to 14,320. That's all. This is the very first problem on calculating the tax liability. Right? Now I am moving on to the second problem. Srimati Josna Frederick, age 67 years, more than 60 years, but less than 80 years. So she is a senior citizen, senior student SSC, senior citizen SSC. So for senior citizen, the basic exemption limit is 3 lakh. Here non-senior 2,50,000. Here senior, so 3 lakh rupees is the basic exemption. Her total income is 4 crore 14 lakh. Wow, so huge income. 4 crore 14 lakh. Taxable at a flat rate of 20%. Determine her tax liability. So exactly similar, we have to calculate the tax liability. So different points are there. First of all, no tax rebate under section 87A. 87A में tax rebate नहीं मिलेगा. Secondly, surcharge will be applied. Here no surcharge. Why no surcharge? Surcharge will be applied when the total income exceeds 50 lakh. Remember the points. Total income exceeds 50 lakh, then only surcharge will come. Otherwise, no surcharge. Here 4 crore, so surcharge will be applied. Now, computation of tax liability of Srimati Josna Frederick for the assessment year 2021, age 67 years. So first you decide she is a senior citizen. Basic exemption limit 3 lakh. Total income 4 crore 14 lakh. Tax rate flat 20%. Exactly similar. Total income 4 crore 14 lakh. Now basic exemption 3 lakh. Subtract 3 lakh. Here basic exemption 2,50,000. Here 3 lakh. Taxable income will be 4 crore 11 lakh. So basic tax rate 20%. So 20% given in the problem, flat rate. So 20% of 4 crore 11 lakh, 82 lakh 20,000. This is the basic tax. To basic tax, surcharge will be applied because it is more than 50 lakh. So here we have different surcharge rates. 10%, 15%, 25%, 37%. Already I have explained in detail in the previous videos. If you have watched those videos, definitely you must know the rates of surcharge. 10%, 15%, 25%, 37%. If the income is over 50 lakh, but below 1 crore, the tax rate will be, surcharge will be 10%. If it is more than 1 crore or more, but less than 2 crore, it is 15%. It is 15%. From 2 crore to 5 crore, from 2 crore to less than 5 crore, it will be 25%. If the income is more than 5 crore, 37% is the surcharge. 4 rates are given. Now we have to see here. In this problem, the total income is 4 crore 14 lakh. It is more than 2 crore but less than 5 crore. More than 2 crore but less than 5 crore. The surcharge rate will be 25%. 25% is the surcharge, and surcharge will be calculated on basic tax. Here, basic tax 20% of 4 crore 11 lakh, 82 lakh 20,000. Surcharge 25% of 82 lakh 20,000, 20 lakh 55,000 is the surcharge. Add up 1 crore 2 lakh 75,000 is the tax, on which health and education says 4% compulsory. This 4% will be calculated on 1 crore 2 lakh 75,000. It comes to 4 lakh 11,000. Add up tax liabilities 1 crore 6 lakh 86,000. That's all. So you can compare it. What are the differences between first problem and second problem? Here there is tax rebate under section 87A. Here no tax rebate. Here there is no surcharge, but here there is surcharge. Here non-senior citizen 2 lakh 50,000 basic exemption. Here senior citizen 3 lakh basic exemption. That's it. In note you can write the total income is exceeding 2 lakh rupees but less than 5 crore, 2 crore, sorry. The total income is exceeding 2 crore but less than 5 crore. So the rate of surcharge is 25%. That point you have to remember. That's all. 2 problems we have completed. Now see the third problem. Srimati Sarita, age 42 years. 42 years means non-senior citizen. Non-senior citizen. Basic exemption limit 2 lakh 50,000. Having a total income of 10 lakh 56,000. 10 lakh 56,000 total income. No tax rebate. Tax rebate will be allowed only if the total income is less than 5 lakh. Now, taxable at a flat rate of basis. Flat rate basis. Calculate tax liability if the rate of tax is 20%. Flat rate. Exactly similar to the first one. But the only difference is no tax rebate. Here first case there is a tax rebate. Here no tax rebate because the total income is more than 5 lakh. Computation of tax liability of Srimati Sarita for the assessment year. Now age 42 years, non-senior. Then total income 10 lakh 56,000 given in the problem. Flat rate of tax 20%. Total income 10 lakh 56 minus basic exemption 2 lakh 50,000. Taxable income 8 lakh 6,000 is the taxable income. On this taxable income, basic tax will be calculated at 20%. So 20% of this 1,61,200. 1,61,200. Directly we add health and education cess 4% of this one. 1,67,648 tax liability. Now we have to round it off to the nearest 10. The last digit 48 is there. Next 40. After 40, the next higher 10 is 50. So we'll make it 50. So 1,67,650 is the rounded off tax liability. That's it. Now I am giving a note. Total income is more than 5 lakh. More than 5 lakh. So tax rebate under section 87A will not be allowed. That is the point. And no surcharge because the total income is below 50 lakhs. That's the point. Finished. Now I am coming to the next problem, problem number 4. From the following particulars submitted to you, calculate tax liability. Total income 3,90,300. It is less than 5 lakh. So tax rebate will be allowed. Tax rate is 20% flat basis. SSC is resident and senior citizen. Senior citizen का मतलब हो गया basic exemption limit 3 lakh. Senior citizen basic exemption limit 3 lakh. 3 points I have already explained you. Again I am repeating. Non-senior citizen 2,50,000. Senior citizen 3 lakh. Super senior citizen 5 lakh. These are the basic exemption limit. And how to decide? Below 60 years. Below 60 years it is non-senior. 60 to 80 senior. Over 80 years super senior. 80 and above super senior. Now computation of tax liability for the assessment year 2021. Total income 3,90,300. Tax rate flat 20%. Senior citizen. Total income 3,90,300. Basic exemption 3 lakh because senior citizen. Deduct 90,300 is a taxable income on which 20% flat tax, basic tax. 20% of 90,300. So Tax rebate under section 87A. 87A. List of the following two. Basic tax 18,060 or fixed amount 12,500. Whichever is least. So 12,500 is least. Deduct it 5,560. That is the tax. To this we add health and education cess 4%. 4% of this amount 222. 5,782. 5,782 rounded off to the nearest tenth. The last 82 is there. So we ignore 2. We'll make it 80. अगर 5 rupees या 5 rupees से ज़्यादा रहता तो next 10. If it is 85 or more than 85, we would have taken 90. If it is less than 85, we ignore the fraction, we make it 80. So here 5,780 is the rounded off. So in this video, 4 main problems I have explained you in detail. So if you watch it till the end in every video, definitely there won't be any panic for this subject, because I am getting so many comments from the student asking requests to give the videos on income tax. That's why I have decided. That's why I have decided to give the video on income tax. The subject depends on the provisions. You have to remember the provisions. I got the comments from the students, sir, any shortcut method to remember the provisions? There is no shortcut. Only hard work will pay. Hard work will pay. So you have to work hard in remembering the provisions. Only after remembering the provisions you get the command on the subject. Again and again I am repeating those provisions. So after watching, after listening the video, definitely you will get a good command on the subject. So keep watching and enhance your knowledge. So if you are satisfied with my lecture, give a like to the video. Share it in your group, in your friend circle, so that more students can watch, more students can increase their knowledge. So my passion is to give, to spread the knowledge to so many students. So subscribe my channel if you have not yet subscribed, and give your comments, your feedback regarding this video. So next problem I'll do in the next video.